Just wrapped up my live using the wavy iron, and let's just say the result speaks for itself. Keep on watching and stay to the end so you'll see what wavy iron I used. Hey beauties, it's Kayla. Welcome or welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I just finished my live and I had to get some footage of my final look of my waves, y'all. I'm actually so pleased with these results. It's my first time using it in so long, but it never disappoints, especially when it comes to instant waves. Yeah, so after this video, make sure you go check out the live right here. If you're enjoying my content so far, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so here is the famous Revlon Waver iron that I used in the live. And it has jumbo sized barrels and it looks so intimidating, but once I figured out the right way to hold it, it was smooth sailings. Listen, let me tell y'all something funny. So while I was putting these waves in my hair using the Revlon Waver iron, I kept wondering why it was suddenly getting so hot and humid. I mean, it was hot. I don't know. Go back to the live and you'll see me stepping out of the camera view to wipe my face or to fan myself, because I'm like, it was just fine before I started the live. And now that I am using this heated iron, all of a sudden I'm sweating and it's hot in here. I made sure I turned the temperature on 70, but yet it's getting hot in here. It wasn't adding up. So I was live, so it wasn't like I can just hit pause and go check on air, see what's going on. Well, come to find out, my air went out. It went out right before I started the live, and I was sweating. I was like trying to move so fast before my hair started to revert, and unfortunately, yes, there was some puffy spots because I was sweating so bad. You can't really tell, but I was sweating from the inside out. Like, heat is not my friend. I mean, I was sweating in my head. And so some of the puffy spots did pop up, but honestly, it still turned out cute in my opinion. And it still worked out just fine. nighttime routine, in order to preserve the style as long as possible, I just throw it up in the high bun. That's it. It helps protect my waves and keeps the style looking fresh, usually for up to a week. Shout out to all of my amazing channel members. Love you much, beauties. If you haven't already joined yet, be sure to check out the channel membership for exclusive perks and member-only content. Links in the description. That's it for this video. Let me know in the comments, would you try out the Revlon Waver for some effortless waves? If you made it this far into the video, go ahead and show me some heart hands. Yeah, go ahead and put some heart hands in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share if you care. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Please be sure to watch any of these videos next. Thank you.